Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Fiverr. This is particularly useful if you've moved to a new country or if your location was set incorrectly when you first registered, as having the correct location can affect your visibility and payment options on the platform. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, here's something really important you need to understand before we proceed. Your Fiverr location is usually not editable through the standard profile settings like you might expect. Fiverr actually sets your account location when you first register, and this isn't something you can simply change on your own. If your location appears incorrect or needs updating, the platform requires you to contact their customer support team directly to make this change. So with that in mind, let's move forward with the process. Look towards the bottom right corner of the page. You'll notice a green button there, which represents Fiverr's customer support or service option. Click on this button to open up the support chat interface. This is your direct line to getting help with issues that can't be resolved through regular settings. Once the chat window opens, you'll need to type a clear, concise message explaining what you need. Something straightforward like, "I need to change my account location," works perfectly. Being specific helps the support team understand your request immediately and respond more efficiently. After sending your message, be prepared for the possibility that Fiverr may ask you to submit proof of residency. This is a standard verification step they use to ensure account security and prevent fraud. If they do request documentation, you might need to provide something like a utility bill, government ID, or lease agreement that shows your current address. Once you've submitted your request and any required documentation, keep an eye on your Fiverr notifications or check your email regularly. The support team will reach out to you through one of these channels with their response. The waiting time can vary, but they typically get back to you within a reasonable time frame. The key takeaway here is that Fiverr handles location changes exclusively through their support team rather than offering a self-serve option in your settings menu. This approach helps them maintain account integrity and ensure that all location information is accurate and verified. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.